Greetings. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how you can add alternative text to your images on X from your mobile phone. So on your X app on your mobile phone, you will click on the app which is right there. And then when it opens, you come and click on the bottom here on the plus. And then we come and click here on post. Like that. So here is where you put your text at the top. Just like that. And then to be able to add an image, you come and click here at the bottom where we see this icon. Click there. And then you select the image that you want. For example, that. Then after, to add alternative text, we shall click here where there is Alt with the plus sign. And then here is where you put the description of the photo. Okay. So you make sure it's very detailed. You put it in this area. Okay. Then you click done. If you want to, let's say, add like a warning onto the image or something, you click there. So then you have here below different options. So we have here filters, crop. Okay. If you want to crop your image, but on the last part here, we have this image here. So if you want to put a content warning on this post, if there's any nudity, violence, sensitivity, you tick one of those boxes and then you click on done. So after your image will now have alternative text, and if it has a warning, it will also be there, and this makes it more accessible and inclusive for everyone who will be accessing it on social media. Thank you.